Is 3351 Digital Principles and Computer Organization. The topic is Addressing Modes, presented by Anuja R. APCSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The operands of the instruction can be located either in the main memory or in the CPU registers. If the operand is placed in the main memory, then the instructions provides the location address in the operand field. Many methods are followed to specify the operand address. The different methods or modes for specifying the operand address in the instructions are known as addressing modes. Types of addressing modes. In computer architecture, there are the following types of addressing mode: implied or implicit addressing mode, stack addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, register direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, relative addressing mode, indexed addressing mode, base register addressing mode, auto increment addressing mode, auto decrement addressing modes. The implied addressing modes, the definition of the instruction itself specify the operand implicitly. It is also called as implicit addressing mode. Stack addressing mode, the operand is contained at the top of the stack. Immediate addressing mode, the operand is specified in the instruction explicitly. Instead of address field, an operand field is present that contains the operand. Direct addressing mode, the address field of the instruction contains the effective address of the operand. Only one reference to memory is required to fetch the operand. It is also called as the absolute addressing mode. Indirect addressing mode, the addressing field on the instruction specifies the address of memory location that contain the effective address of the operand. Two reference to memory are required to fetch the operand. Register direct addressing mode, the operand is contained in the register set. The address field of the instruction referred to the CPU register that contain the operand. No reference to memory is required for fetch the operand. Register indirective addressing mode, the address field of the instruction referred to a CPU register that contain the effective address of the operand. Only one reference to memory is required to fetch the operand. Relative addressing mode, it is the addressing mode. The operand is obtained by adding the content of program counter with the address part of the instruction. So the effective address equal to content of program counter plus address part of instruction. Index addressing mode, the effective address of the operand is obtained by adding the content of index register with the address part of the instruction. The effective address equal to content of index register plus address part of the instructions. Base register addressing mode, effective address of operand is obtained by adding the content of base register with the address part of instruction. Here the effective address equal to content of base register plus address part of the instruction. Auto increment addressing mode, the addressing mode is a special case of register indirect addressing mode where effective address of operand equal to content of register. In this addressing mode, after accessing the operand, the content of the register is automatically incremented by step D. The step size D depend on the size of operand accessed. Only one reference to memory is required to fetch the operand. Auto decrement addressing mode. The addressing mode is again a special case of register indirect addressing mode. Effective address of operand equal to content of register minus step size. The content of register is decremented by step size D. The step size D depend on the size of operand accessed, and after decrementing the operand is read, only one reference to memory is required to fetch the operand. Thank you.